Greetings, I am representing Elon Musk for today's artificial intelligence topic of regulation of AI development in my companies. I am associated with multiple businesses, such as I am the CEO of Tesla, the electric car company. I am the chairman, CEO, and CTO of SpaceX, which is a space transportation satellite company. Then I am the chairman and CTO of X, which is a social media company. I am the founder of Neuralink, which is developing implantable brain computer interfaces. Then I'm the founder of XAI, which is a rival to ChatGPT and is the creator of OpenAI. Then I'm the founder of the Boring Company, which uses infrastructure and underground tunnel construction services. And I have been using AI throughout all of these companies. I use it for a lot of things, such as in Tesla, I have used it for self-driving features like interpreting surroundings, making navigation decisions, and constantly improving the way the car works through AI. Tesla also uses AI for vehicle optimization, such as maximizing battery efficiency, planning efficient routes, and potentially predicting maintenance. SpaceX relies on AI throughout its operations. AI autopilots guide rockets for efficiency and precision. AI also safeguards SpaceX satellites to orbit by analyzing sensor data to avoid collisions with space debris. Furthermore, AI empowers engineers by analyzing mission data, pinpointing issues, and predicting potential problems before they arise. This not only improves mission success rates but also the safety of astronauts and scientists which work there. X leverages AI across various aspects of the platform to improve your experience and safety. AI is used to remove spam and misinformation through the option of interest and not interested in the app. Then AI even makes X more inclusive by powering features for users with disabilities and optimizes images for better presentation. AI also optimizes the way your interests are built and shows you to recommend what you would like to see and what you would like to buy in the platform, which is also used in some more social media companies such as Instagram and Facebook as well. Finally, AI helps advertisers reach the right audience by tailoring advertisements to user preferences. Lastly, the company I have chosen for today's video is Neuralink. Over there, we haven't been able to use AI certainly till now, but these are the few examples I have thought of which can be incorporated on a larger scale, such as Neuralink does not have any instance which showcases how AI is used, as I mentioned just now. However, it could be used to analyze and interpret the complex neural signals picked up by the BCI. By deciphering these signals, AI could translate a user's thought into commands for external devices or even augmented human capabilities. So, taking the example of the monkey playing the ping pong game, it can be shown how AI can be used here to send the monkey some signals and what it could be used to improve, what it can do command. AI can be used to regulate its behavior to be optimized. So these are the ways I have taken as an example for regulation of AI. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.